Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create this design. Let's open a new document, swap the fill and the stroke, get rid of the stroke and make sure the fill is on top. Now select the rectangle tool and single click on this intersection. Type 1400 for the width and 890 for the height to create a rectangle that will cover the artboard. With the rectangle still selected, switch to the eyedropper tool and click outside the artboard to get the same color sample as the canvas. Let's lock this layer and create a new layer. Change the fill to none and the stroke to white. Next, press the letter M for the rectangle tool and draw a big square. Now press the letter C for the scissors tool or select it from the toolbar panel and create a cut at each corner. This will give us 4 separate lines. Let's select everything and group it together. Next, we will change the width profile. We can either do this from the stroke panel or from the top toolbar. I'm going to use the width profile number 4. You can experiment with different width profiles as well. Let's increase the stroke's weight to about 40 points. We can always adjust it later. With everything still selected, go to Effect, Distort and Transform and choose Transform. Let's create 30 copies, change the horizontal and vertical scale to about 86% and the angle to 10. Next, switch to the Direct Selection tool and select one of the 4 lines. Now apply light gray. Select the next line and apply darker gray. Select the last one and apply dark gray. Select everything and, if you wish, adjust the stroke's weight. Next, we will rotate our design so the top line is parallel to the top of the artboard. First, press the Ctrl and R buttons on your keyboard to show the ruler. Now click on the ruler, hold and drag to align with the top left corner of our design. Next, press the letter R for the Rotate tool and click on this corner to set the rotation point. Now grab this anchor point and move it to align with the guide. To turn off the guides, press the Ctrl and semicolon keys on your keyboard. Now select everything and rotate it by 45 degrees. To create a slightly different effect, select one of the lines and apply the white and black gradient. Now repeat this with the other lines. Experiment with different width profiles, stroke weight, color, and have fun. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.